Kia ora koutou. This is part 3 in the videos about ngā rerenga kupu, phrases in Te Reo Māori. In this video, I'll be introducing you to the phrase kia ka, to say when this, then that. This sentence structure can be used to say when this has happened, then this can happen. It's like giving the person we're speaking to a condition. It's worth noting that this language model only works when we're talking about something that's going to happen in the future. Let's start off with our English example. When your homework is done, speaking to two people, we will watch the movie. Right, so we'll start our rerenga kōrero with the first part of the phrase, kia, in this case meaning when. When your homework is done, kia oti a kōrua mahi kāinga. Then we'll add the second part of the phrase, which is ka, and then the remainder of the sentence, we will watch the movie. Ka matakitaki tātou e te kiriata. Let's build another example. The English first, and then we'll translate it. When you get back from the shop, we'll have our breakfast. And here's our rerenga kōrero Māori, starting with kia hoki mai koe I te toa. When you get back from the shop, and the second part of the phrase ka kai taua, as in we, you and I, ka kai taua I tā taua parakuihi. We'll have our breakfast. I've put together a few examples in English here for you to practice. If you'd like to do this activity, you can pause the video, and when you come back, I'll give you the answers. Okay, pause the video now. And here are the answers. When their parents wake up, they will go to the beach. Kia oho, o rātou mātua, ka haere rātou ki tātahi. When the movie ends, the family will go to McDonald's. Kia mutu te kiriata, ka haere te whānau, ki makatānara. And the last one, when my phone is charged, I will call you. Kia whakakaha tāku waia pūkoro, ka waia atu au I a koe. So there you have it, using kia ka to say when this, then that. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much again for watching. Please take a moment to give this video a like or drop me a comment. Let me know how you got on with the practice activity. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou. Mā te wā.